Hello, today I will explain about Rxjs operators. So Rxjs operators are the pure functions. It takes one observable as an input and it gives an output as an another observable. So here we can perform some operations by using the operators. So we can see in direct with an examples in the Rxjs operators. So it has a lot of operators. First we can understand how it is perform Rxjs operators in the reactive programming. So with an example here, so you have created observable here. So I'm adding one filter method. For example, I have taken text here. In the text, I'm providing observables with the pipe function. So here pipe is used to add multiple pipes. So we can use this filter pipe. In this filter pipe, I'm providing why we are using filter pipe is it can filter values based on the conditions only. So modulus 2 equal to 0. Mm, so so we have to I have to subscribe this desktop subscribe in the subscribe method. We are giving an object with next x so log x. You can see what we have. This is based on the conditions we are getting the emitting the values here 246. So we can apply multiple operators here, and another one is reduce. For example, we have already taken this 246. So this reduce operator can be given in the reduce. So here filter reduce. So that reduce can be used as a to mostly we are using for accumulate the elements value plus layer comma 0. So here it combines 2466 12 it's showing a result emitting value. So we can perform all these values here like this only. So that is an advantage of this off method with the observable creation, and operators can be used like this only. So this is an advantage of operators here. So that's it. We can discuss another topic in the next video. Thank you.